We know that tangibles let single users work on multitouch tabletops faster, more accurately, and eyes-free. But modern multitouch tables are so big that people can start working on them in separate workspaces. If they still want to work together, they now need to become aware of each other's actions. So we asked ourselves if tangibles can help here too. Can they improve a user's awareness of what the others around the table are doing? To measure this, we re-implemented the well-known whack-a-mole game and added a secondary task to it that players have to be aware of. Here's how it works. Each player has their own individual game screen. Your primary task is to catch as many moles as possible by tapping on them before they disappear again. Every mole caught is worth 1 point. But the others can also steal points from you. To do this, an attacker moves a barrel near a hole on his own playing field. In our study, we ran some games with on-screen barrel icons, while others used real plastic barrels as tangibles. As soon as the barrel is placed, you start losing 1 point per second, and the attacker gains these. To stop the attack, you must drag one of your virtual shield icons next to the attacked hole on your own field. This was the key action in the game for our study. We measured how long it took players to respond correctly to an attack. Faster reaction times indicated that players were more aware of the other's attacks. At the end of each game, we showed the players how many points everybody got from whacking moles and from stealing. We also put players at different positions around the table to see if that affected their awareness of tangible or virtual actions. Opposite of each other, diagonally right across, diagonally left across, next to each other, and 4 players at the same time. We found that players reacted significantly faster to incoming attacks that used tangibles than those using virtual on-screen icons. This was especially true in the 4-player games. We also got some interesting qualitative results from our player interviews afterwards. For example, about the sound that tangibles make when they are moved around. We took these to compile some design guidelines for tangible applications.